color and sound, Hikari's light spreads through every movement, every smile, dancing together beneath the same light, celebrating life, celebrating love. The light of Hikari shines upon us, and our Christmas tree stands beautifully lit. May this world remind us that the true light of Christmas lives within each and every one of us. Merry Christmas, everyone! So at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we invite everyone to join us for a photo opportunity in front of our dazzling Christmas tree, a symbol of hope, joy, and togetherness this season. Let's begin with our